Hello everyone and welcome back to another certification introduction video from Mosse Cybersecurity Institute. In today's video we're going to have a look at our MRE Certified Reverse Engineer certification. So we're going to have a look at the MCSI online learning platform quickly if you're unfamiliar with it. We're going to have a look at the syllabus for the MRE Certified Reverse Engineer. We're going to have a look at 5 of the 100 practical exercises you receive as part of the certification. We're going to have a look at the career development milestones, and we're going to have a look at the certificates of completion that you receive for each exercise you complete. So if you are new to MCSI's online learning platform, essentially it's 1,000 practical exercises to train 10,000 hours of cybersecurity, and each exercise is 100% practical and designed as an industry problem statement that you would be required to solve as a cybersecurity professional in the field. And here's a bit of a diagram. So each exercise we require you to do your own research and develop your own solution, and then you'll receive expert feedback from our team. You'll receive a certificate for completing the exercise, and you have a new skill that you can immediately apply in the field. But let's start by having a quick look at the syllabus, and this is it here. So as you can see, we've got a nice little badge here, which upon completion you'll receive that, as well as a digital certification, which you can put on your LinkedIn or Twitter or CV. And as you can see, we've got a bit of what the course will cover. And here, so we're going to look at employing a systematic approach to malware analysis, performing static, dynamic and behavioral analysis. We're going to de-obfuscate protected malware samples, manually decompile binaries back to C code, produce descriptions of how APT samples work, and develop high fidelity indicators of compromise. And really, upon completion of this certification, you're gonna have the skills to be able to apply for malware analysis jobs all around the world. But what we want to see is the exercises. So let's have a look at some of them here. So this is a novice reverse engineering exercise where we'll get you to decompile a malicious Python executable. So as you can see here, same layout as all of the exercise. We've got a bit of a background here, and then we tell you what we want you to do in the exercise. So we want you to find malicious Python application in your malware dataset, decompile it, and identify the malicious code. And then we've got some actions and specifications you can tick off as you go, and a reference. So there's 100 of these practical exercises in the certification, and they do get progressively harder, as we'll see here. So this is a advanced beginner reverse engineering exercise where you get 2 points, and we estimate an advanced beginner exercise will take about 6 to 12 hours to complete. And this is where we want you to perform a systematic code analysis of the ghost rat. So we've got some malware you can download here from the button, and some key questions to answer. So how was the malware designed, and what is its architecture? And you can see the rest of the questions there. And we've got some actions and specifications here. But as you can see, it's really 100% practical. We're not going to give away the answers. We're not going to walk you through how to do it. We do have an online forum where we can help out, but it is really up to you to do your own research and develop your own solutions. This is another advanced beginner exercise where we get you to defeat the software breakpoint detection anti-debugging technique. So a bit of a background here, the exercise, and again what we're looking for. Now let's have a look at a next level up, a bit of a harder exercise. You can see the difficulty does progress as you go through the certification, and it's still all 100% practical. So this is an exercise where we get you to perform a systematic code analysis of the Pegasus B Android spyware. So a bit about the exercise, the key questions that we're looking to get answered as part of the analysis. You can download the malware and some actions and specifications here. But what we estimate is just one competent exercise, which is worth 5 points. It might take about 1 to 3 days of estimated effort if you've never done something like this before. And that's an 8-hour work day. It's not a 24-hour day, so don't worry. And that's kind of how we approach the estimated effort. And the next exercise we'll look at is another competent exercise where we want you to perform the SAMR methodology against the WannaCry ransomware. So as you can see here, we've got the key questions to answer, and we've got some actions and specifications here. This is a bit of a more steps in here, so you can tick them as you go. Each exercise will have some references, so you can always, we can point you in the right direction for your research to help you on the way. And yeah, so that's 5 of the practical exercises. So now let's have a quick look at the career development milestones. So here is a part of it. So what you'll see is that depending on the percentage, so I've got 3% currently, but depending on the percentage, you can go and update your LinkedIn to say, hey, I'm a MCSI novice reverse engineer. So people know that you're really into reverse engineering, you're doing this certification, and by each exercise you do, you'll still be building a practical portfolio of reverse engineering skills that you can put on your LinkedIn, send to recruiters or hiring managers. And then when you do get to 40%, you can update that, so you'll become a MCSI associate reverse engineer. And then as you keep going, doing more exercises, you'll get to the 80% mark, and then that'll require you to complete a final practical reverse engineering assessment, which completing all the exercises will have prepared you for. And once you've done that, you'll receive the badge, the digital certification, and you'll be able to say on your LinkedIn that you're a MCSI certified reverse engineer. And let's have a look at the certificates of completion as well. So each of the 100 practical exercises will give you a certificate of completion. So this is one from one of the exercises which I've completed, which is extract malware from a PDF document using origami. And that was an awesome exercise which I did, but you'll get this for every exercise, and like I said, you can share that on your LinkedIn so everyone can see your progress and that you're learning reverse engineering and where your current capabilities are. So that's the MRE Certified Reverse Engineer certification. I hope you really love it. I'm really excited about this certification. You can reach out to us on the contact information you can see on the screen there and ask us any questions you might have, but I really hope I see some reverse engineering exercises coming through soon. Thank you.